Do you hear that? I have been listening to that for probably the past hour. Somebody's car is going off. And then it stops, and then it goes again. Jeez. Oh my goodness, guys. I just got home. My afternoon ended up getting stressful. It was a pretty good day. I ran a 10K at lunch, so that was cool. I'm glad I pushed myself and ran that hard. I am really tired though. I think I pushed myself a little too hard. But I'm probably gonna take a nap here in a few. But yeah, I'm not in the best mood right now because it was just a day. Stressful afternoon. But I'm not sure what we're having for dinner tonight. I would really love it if Justin would finish his tests and we could go get pho 95. Because I love pho. So I don't know what we're having for dinner yet, but I'm just gonna chill out and relax. So I didn't even put makeup on today. Well, I don't even think I put makeup on yesterday either, but I look like a bag of poo. I wonder if you guys ever get tired of me looking like a bag of poo. Good news is I'll be spiffied up hopefully tomorrow and Saturday, and you know, hopefully looking somewhat nice. I'm gonna let my babies go potty and then I'm gonna lay the heck down. Everyone needs some time to chill sometimes, so okay, talk to you in a little bit. Well, somebody didn't want pho and he's finishing up his quizzes that he has to take, so we're making pretty much a potluck kind of thing. Meat that's been frozen. We don't really know what kind. We know one of them's turkey and the other one might be a mixture of beef and sausage. I don't know. Then we're gonna put some corn. It's gonna be like a taco type. It's probably not gonna be soup because Justin doesn't want soup. So it's gonna have corn, it's gonna have rotel, it's gonna have hominy, and it's gonna have ranch style beans. And then I think we're gonna add some taco seasoning, so it's gonna be kind of like a taco type thing. Hey, Michelle, who works with me, you know when you're singing tostadas, tostadas, she's like, fix him a tostada already. We don't have any tostadas. We don't have any. Oh, you mean from tortilla? Cha. Do you think it's time for you to eat or something? You're going nuts. Ooh, don't eat.
What? What's up?
Everyone's waiting on you to say something.
Sorry.
Okay, well this has ended up being what? Ooh, what we've made. A little foggy up in here. It's got. Let me show y'all. It's kind of like a chili, even though it's. I guess it's kind of like a Mexican chili. But like I said, we didn't know what the meat we had in the freezer was, so it ended up being turkey, pork, and beef. And we have hominy in here, corn, rotel, ranch style beans. Put taco seasoning. We put pepper. We put garlic salt. We put onion powder, garlic powder. What else?
Garlic salt, taco seasoning.
Paprika. I already said all that. You're not listening. Smoked paprika and some Del Primo. So I think that's about it. But it should be pretty good. It tasted good. I already tasted it. So more of kind of like a chili type meal, and then I guess we'll have some chips with it.
It's like a pozole with hominy.
Yeah, kind of. I actually want to make pozole again. That verde pozole that I made, it was the bomb. Did you like it? Yeah, it was delicious. And what else? Oh yeah, and I burned like 800 calories today when I ran my 10K, so I think I can have quite a bit of this.
Yeah, I can have some.
Yeah, because you ran your 10K too, right?
Yeah, I did actually.
Did you run a 10K? Nope. Yep, I see. You probably would, though. Now, we know you didn't run a 10K, Roxy. You'd be carried through the whole 10K. Gosh. You gotta be center of attention. Hey, baby. Hi, sweetie. Domo. See what I have to deal with. Two pups that love me. One's just a little more jealous than the other. Justin.
Just kidding.
Alright guys, well we're watching a recorded version of Guy's Grocery Games. And this is how our meals turned out. It's really yummy. Justin put cheese on top of his. I'm eating mine with some chips, Tostitos, Cantina, and we have some picante sauce, and Justin has some bean dip and Fritos. So anyways, it's kind of like a chili in a way, like a Mexican chili. Pretty good.
Very good.
Anyway, well I guess we're gonna eat. There wasn't really much that went on today.
No, not really.
But at least you got to see how we made our chili. Well, I'm gonna call it taco chili. Taco chili. Foxy. Say goodnight. I love you. Love you, Internet. Domi, nobody can ever see you. Come here. Come here. Say goodnight, Internet. Good night. Alright guys, well, we'll see you tomorrow. Tomorrow should be a little more fun and interesting, because it's Friday. So, alright guys, well, I love y'all, and I will see you tomorrow.
Follow suckers.
Peace.